My previous video I recorded, the audio didn't record it, so I have to redo this video from scratch. So this is James Roberts here. I'm back for another episode. I'm also known as JSR Tech Repairs. I repair laptop and desktop computers. Reason why I haven't uploaded any videos is because I've been busy with life and couldn't figure out a video to do for everyone to watch. Also, with this COVID-19, it's also set stuff back due to social distancing and stuff. I'm not really gonna say. So today I am going to show you how to create a Windows user account. If you're new, you might be setting up a business, or if you're elderly and you just want to set up an account for a family member, grandson, grandchild, etc. This video applies if you already have an account. So the first thing you want to go to is your Windows settings. You want to go to your account details. Now, Windows has changed the way you add people. So, from version 2004 and above, it'd be people on this device. You click this, you add someone else to your PC. Obviously, it's going to ask you for Microsoft account, so you don't have the person's sign-in information. You click that. Once you click to next, you want to add a user without a Microsoft account. So I'm just going to make this call this guy John as an example. You click next. Done, he's added. Now, when you go to your profile and click John, it will switch you out to his account. And another note, if you're an administrator on your main account and you have a child on the new account you just done, if you set that account to standard user, well, that basically means he can't install certain applications without your admin password, such as Origin, etc. and other applications. For my next video, I'll be doing is child restrictions, which colleges and universities use. It's not going to be necessarily for children. It could be if you're going to setting up a business, just doing it for fun, or, see what happens. You can do it on a domain, but that's optional. If you want to do it on a personal computer, you're going to need Windows 10 Pro or higher. Home doesn't have the features. It's got to be Pro or educational. All the domain versions of Windows 10. This is James Roberts. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button. Also drop a comment below in the comment section to see what you would like to see next. I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. This is James Roberts signing out.